Hey, how's it going today? Steve here from Internet City Computers in Detroit with my channel Fix It Right with another short for you. So a customer brought their computer in, says it's running slow, it's running hot, and we went through, gave it the once over, checked out the files, made sure nothing was going on with Windows. It needed some repair, but not bad. But so then we opened up the case, and this is what we found. Yeah, there's like a 1/4 inch of dust and dirt, and look at those fans and that processor. The heat sink is just smothered, suffocating. Okay, anyways, now we're gonna run this thing outside and give it a quick blowout, clean it out real good, and then we'll see how she runs. All right, here we go. All nice and clean, sparkly clean. Look at that. Yeah, look at that CPU running cool. Everything's running good. Okay. All right, there you go, piece of cake. Get this thing clean. You should probably take yours in at least once a year or do it yourself if you feel confident. Open that side case, get you a can of compressed air, and blow it out. Make sure that CPU fan and that heatsink is clean because that's the most important part. That's where all the heat from that CPU gets dissipated and keeps it cool. Anyways, if you got anything out of that or enjoyed that video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, come on back for more Fix It Right. Until then, adios.